Yes, I'm live now. Welcome once again to another new video. This is Santu Sahu and you are watching Sahu's tutorial. I heartily welcome once again to another new video and good evening everyone. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Here I am to begin this mock test series for the upcoming UGC NET, a mock test series for the upcoming UGC NET, and this is on UGC NET paper 1. Do join quickly. Here I will be covering some important MCQ questions along with explanation as well for the upcoming UGC NET paper 1, and all the units will be here one by one covered, and in the upcoming days also I am hoping to make videos for the upcoming UGC NET exam as well. Okay, so let's begin the session. I hope that you are all well. Do join quickly and let me know. I think the PPT is clearly visible to everyone, and even the audio quality is also okay. Before starting the session, this is my humble request to all the aspirants. Please make sure to subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon to get more notification. And to stay updated as well, do join the Telegram channel, that is Santu Sahu UGC NET. So let's get started here. Without wasting your time, let's get started here. And here is the first question on your screen. Please do answer in the comment box if you are ready to answer. Okay, so this is the first question on your screen. Please do answer. This is the first question on your screen. Do answer here. So the first question is that which is not a greenhouse gas? You all know that greenhouse gas, due to the emission of the greenhouse gas, it is uh, causing global warming. So here the question is which is not a greenhouse gas? Which is not a greenhouse gas? Options are water vapor, nitrogen dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. इनमें से कौन सा ग्रीनहाउस गैस नहीं है? So you know that uh, to reduce the emission of greenhouse gas, which protocol was introduced? Which protocol was initiated and introduced to reduce the emission of greenhouse gas? Okay. Along with that, you should also know that to reduce the emission of greenhouse gas, which protocol was introduced? It was actually Kyoto Protocol in 1980. 1997 actually. 1997. So here water vapor is actually a greenhouse gas. Nitrogen, methane is also a greenhouse gas. Water vapor is actually a greenhouse gas actually. Nitrous oxide is also a greenhouse gas. Whereas nitrogen dioxide is not a greenhouse gas. And here are the list of greenhouse gas: that water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, N2O. Okay, then ozone, CFCs, hydrofluorocarbons, as well as perfluorocarbons, and these are things, okay, which are all greenhouse gas. Okay, here the most abundant greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere listed in decreasing order of average global mole fractions are here. These are all okay. So that's why here nitrogen dioxide is not a greenhouse gas. Okay, excellent. Moving on to question number 2. The award given by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research for important contribution in any field of science is called as. So that is actually the full form of CSIR. तो साइंस का जो होता है, साइंस का जो नेट एग्जाम होता है, दैट इज CSIR एग्जाम. ओके, सो Council of Scientific and Industrial Research for important contribution in any field of science is called as Bhatnagar Award, Dronacharya, Nehru Literacy Award, and Borlang Award. Okay, these are most of the questions are actually from West Bengal set PIQ questions. Okay, the award given by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. That's why these questions are also important. Kyoto Protocol was introduced or initiated to reduce the emission of greenhouse gas. Here, what would be the right answer? Do case. Here it is Bhatnagar Award. Okay, the award given by CSIR for important contribution in any field of science is called here, that is Bhatnagar Award. So A is the right answer. Okay, clear. And here is the explanation. You see, Sant Sarup Bhatnagar Prize are awarded annually by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research for notable and outstanding work in the field of science. Hmm. Santi Sarup Bhatnagar Prizes. Okay, who was responsible for beginning of English education in India? Easy one, do answer very quickly, very fast. Lord Curzon, Lord Dalhousie, William Bentinck, and Thomas Babington Macaulay. Who was responsible for beginning of English education in India? You all know here. And in the upcoming days, videos will be focusing on actually, I will be focusing on actually paper one, UGC NET paper one. Beginning of English education in India. Quickly do answer. Exactly. Orko Sucharita, excellent. It is Thomas Babington Macaulay. It is the Macaulay's Minute in 1835. Okay, where he has given also the down filtration theory, isn't it? So 1835, it was William Bentinck who had also taught him, but under the supervisor of William Bentinck, it was Macaulay. Macaulay is the right answer. What causes the lung disease called asbestosis? Asbestosis is a lung disease. Okay, tobacco. It is because of tobacco smoke, asbestos, and industrial pollution, exposure to radon, and even extreme inhalation of asbestosis. Inhalation of that material can lead to lung cancer as well. Extreme inhalation of that material can cause to your lung cancer as well. What causes the lung disease called asbestosis? Here, okay, one answer, then another one. Waiting for Sucharita's answer here. And it emits, okay, during the construction. Okay, during the construction it emits. Hmm. So here right answer is actually asbestosis. Asbestos से क्या होता है? Asbestosis. Got it, Orko? So asbestos is actually a silicon. Okay, and due to that, okay, asbestos, lung cancer, lung disease can happen. Here is the explanation. You see, asbestosis is a lung disease caused by prolonged exposure to asbestos fibers. Okay, it is not caused by tobacco smoke, even by industrial pollution or exposure to radon. Asbestos is a mineral. It is a mineral that was only commonly used in construction and various industries for its heat resistance and insulating properties. And inhalation of asbestos fibers over time can lead to the development of asbestosis, which is a chronic and progressive lung disease characterized by scarring of the lung tissue. It is also associated with increased risk of lung cancer and mesothelioma, a rare and aggressive form of cancer that affects the lining of the lungs and other organs. That's why here the right answer is asbestos. Okay, next question. Who suggested that the aim of education should be to develop values like fearlessness of mind, strength of conscience, and integrity of purpose? Indian University Education Commission, Secondary Education Commission, Kothari Commissions, National Policy of Education. These are all after the after we got our independence. Okay, these are all post-independence commission. Okay, so who suggested the aim of education should be like this: fearlessness of mind, strength of conscience, integrity of purpose? It is also known as, I am giving a clue here. Okay, it is also known as Radhakrishnan Commission. The chairperson was Radhakrishnan. Okay, I'm giving a clue. The chairperson was Radhakrishnan. That's why it is also known as Radhakrishnan Commission. Okay, now do answer. Now do answer, please. Here is question number 5 on your screen. So it's not National Policy of Education, not even Kothari Commission, Secondary Education Commission, it's not. So here the right answer is actually again, yeah, that is University Education Commission. After our independence, the first, okay, it's A, exactly, it's A. University Education Commission, it is University Education Commission. Okay, 1948 में हुआ था. That is the chairperson was Radhakrishnan. Okay, and here is the explanation. You see, the first committee for the most important education in independent India was the University Education Committee. University Education Committee that took place in 1948 is also known as Radhakrishnan Commission. The University Education Commission, the committee also aimed to establish the universities, and here the commission was appointed under the chairmanship of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Okay, and here are some aims of this major recommendation of University Education Commission that took place in 1948. Here, to awaken the innate ability to live the life by developing wisdom. Okay, to train for democracy, to develop certain values like fearless of mind, strength of conscience, and integrity of purpose, and to acquaint with the cultural heritage, and to impart vocational and professional training. These are the major recommendations of this Indian University Education Commission, or it is also known as, that is, Radhakrishnan Commission. Okay, to awaken the innate ability to live the life by developing wisdom, train for democracy, values like fearless of mind, strength of conscience, integrity of purpose, and even to acquaint with the cultural heritage. Here is question number 6. Which one of the following units is used to measure the intensity of noise? Very easy question. Intensity of noise. Okay, intensity of noise. Decibel, hertz, phone, watts per m square. Here is question number 6 on your screen. Do answer quickly. Do like the session, share with your friends as well. Exactly. And here it is the dB actually. So, sorry, dB, like this. Okay, so dB, decibel. Exactly, the to measure the intensity of noise, we use decibel. Exactly, Sucharita. Excellent. Here is Kyoto Protocol. Okay, what is Kyoto Protocol? Do answer quickly. An a UN resolution with the goal of increasing the food production, an international treaty with the goal of saving endangered species, or an international treaty with the goal of reducing major greenhouse gas, or an agreement among members of the World Trade Organization to ensure free trades among participants. What is Kyoto Protocol? I told that Kyoto Protocol took place, initiated in 1997. 1997 में हुआ था. कब हुआ था? 1997. In the first question we had discussed that Kyoto Protocol was initiated in the year 1997 to reduce what? To reduce the emission of greenhouse gas. So here it's C, exactly. Okay, excellent. An international treaty with the goal of reducing major greenhouse gases. Okay, it was Kyoto Protocol that was actually took place in 1997. And if you subtract 10 years, that is in 1987. In 1987, okay, we have our Montreal Protocol. Montreal, remember that, okay? Got it, Aritra? So remember that, Aritra and Sucharita and those who are watching, you see that Montreal Protocol was initiated in the year 1987. And why was it initiated? Montreal Protocol was initiated to that is to protect the ozone layer. Here Montreal O, Just remember, O stands for ozone. Okay, so Montreal Protocol was introduced in 1987. Okay, then to protect the ozone layer, and here Kyoto Protocol plus add 1987 plus 19 plus 10, add plus 10, then 1997. 1997 Kyoto Protocol आया था, Kyoto Protocol आया था. That is actually to reduce the major greenhouse gases. Clear? Got the concept here? Kyoto Protocol, actually an international treaty which extended the 1992 UNFCCC that commits state parties to reduce the greenhouse gas emission based on the scientific consensus that global warming is occurring and that human-made CO2 emissions are driving it. And the Kyoto Protocol was adopted in Kyoto, Japan, on 11 December 1997. Okay, it was adopted 11 December 1997 and entered into force on 16 September 2005. Came into force in 2005. Clear? Okay, but was initiated, adopted in the year 1997, but came into force, that is in the year 2005. Okay, there were 192 parties. Canada withdrew from the protocol effective December 2012 to the protocol. And here are some important, I told that here are some greenhouse gases even told: water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen, ozone, chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs, and hydro. Chalo. So the Indira Gandhi National, here is Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNU. Okay. Sorry. Indira Gandhi National Open University came into existence in the year. Okay. Excellent. IGNU came into existence September September 1985. September 1985. Excellent. 11B. September 1985 is the right answer. Indira Gandhi National Open University, or IGNU, was established on September 1985. It was established to make higher education available to every person in the country. 11B. The institute where and when the first computer was installed. The institute where and when first computer installed in India. So Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore; Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, National Physical Laboratory; Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta, 1955. For the first time where first computer was installed. Now what will be the right answer here? Question number 12 is on your screen. Do like the session and share with your friends as well. Okay, got it, Sujarita. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Here the right answer is here, Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta, 1955. Excellent. So D is the right answer. Fantastic. The first computer was installed, Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta, 1955. India's first computer was installed in the year 1955 in Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta, now Kolkata. Okay. Group of instruction that directs a computer is called storage, memory, logic, and program. Group of instruction that directs a computer is called as. Here is question number 13 on your screen. 13 is on screen. Excellent. Hmm. Group of instruction that directs a computer is called program. So D is the right answer. Excellent. Program is the right answer. D. Now do answer here. Question number 14. 2, 1, half, 1 by 4. Or it's D. D is the right answer. What would be the right answer here? Options A, 1 by 3. Options B, 1 by 8. Option C, 2 by 8. And option D, you have that is 1 by 16. 1 by 3, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 1 by 16. Do solve. 2, 1, half, 1 by 4. Hmm. Hmm. Divide is number by 2, isn't it? Or it's exactly divide. If you divide, okay, each number by 2, you will be getting the next number. Excellent. That is the right answer. 1 by 8 is the right answer. So B is the right answer. That is 1 by 8. If you divide each number, you will be getting the next number. Okay, 2. Excellent. Chalo. So here 1 by 8 is the right answer. Got it, Sujarita? Divide each number by 2. You will be getting the next number. And that is how 1 by 8 is the right answer. Clear? Okay. Here is question number 14. A group of people has Sucharita also. Good. Thank you. Yes, excellent. A group of people has to access to computers and internet, while another group of does not have access. Okay, the difference between the two groups is known as digital divide, internet divide, web divide, illiteracy. एक ग्रुप को कंप्यूटर इंटरनेट में एक्सेस है और एक दूसरा ग्रुप को एक्सेस नहीं है. This is the difference. This difference between the two groups is known as what? Any idea? Any guess? Here the right answer would be digital divide. Okay, it's digital divide. A. Excellent. Excellent, Aritra. It's digital divide. Okay, one group has the access to computers and internet, while the other group has not. Others group have not or does not have that kind of access. And this disparity, this difference, is called digital divide. Digital divide is a term that refers to the gap between the demographics and the regions that have access to modern information and communications technology and those that do not or have restricted access. Okay, that's it. Digital divide. Okay, chalo. Barcodes. You all know barcodes. Barcodes store information using what? Punch holes, thick and thin lines, dots, line of different colors. बारकोड में जो इंफॉर्मेशन रहता है कौन क्या कौन यूजिंग व्हाट थिंग्स. ओके, Sorry, you all know barcodes. You have also. Here is another 5.2 like answer. Very good, very good. 4.8, 4.4, then 4. What would be the last answer? Excellent. Barcode store information using thick and thin lines. Excellent. Orco, everyone. Yeah, it's B. Barcodes store information using thick and thin. No, it's not dot. Thick and thin lines. You can't see bar in barcode. There are just lines like this. Okay, these are lines in barcode. You see the barcode. Okay, there are black lines like this. Okay, so thick and thin lines. Thick and thin. Thick भी है और thin भी है. Thick and thin lines. Barcode store information using this. So B is the right answer. Here you see 5.2, 4.8, 4.4. Then you have also only 4. Then what is the right answer? Your options are like 3, 3.5, then you have 3.3, 3.6. A, B, C, D. Solve this. 5.2, 4.8, 4.4, and 1 and 4. What would be the next term here? 3, 3.5, 3.3, 3.6. Next term. Are you solving? Are you trying to solve? You see from 5.2 to 4.8, that means here subtraction 0.4, isn't it? From 5.2 to 4.8, here is 0.4. Sorry, here is the subtraction is happening here, that is 0.4, isn't it? And from 4.8 to 4.4, 0.4 again minus 0.4, 0.4 exactly. Then you will be getting 3.6 here. D exactly 3.6. Yeah, 0.04 exactly 0.04. Chalo. Here you see barcode store information using thick and thin lines. Barcodes are a type of machine readable optical label that can be used to store information. The information is encoded in the patterns of black and white lines. Black and white lines. You see the information is encoded in the pattern of black and white lines on the barcode. Encoded in the pattern of black and white lines. A barcode scanner can read the pattern of lines and translate it into an encoded information. It is encoded. Help करता है understand करने में, ठीक है? So there are many different types of barcodes, but they all use the same basic principle of thick and thin lines to represent information. There are many different types of barcodes, but basically they all use same principle of thick and thin lines to represent information. And the most common type of barcode is one dimensional barcode, which is a series of parallel black and white lines. Two dimensional barcodes such as QR codes use, so one dimensional parallel black and white, two dimensional is using QR code. Different types of barcodes are also available there. Information and combination of sound information, a combination of sound, video, text, graphics and animation एक साथ में each called what? multi-program, multi-process, multi-facet, multimedia. Excellent. It's multimedia. Aditya, these are all actually WB set PIQ questions. Okay. Hmm. Chalo. Here the right answer is actually multimedia. Okay. Multimedia is the right answer. Hmm. D is the right answer. Multimedia. Excellent. Moving on to question number 17. If certain code teacher is written at like that, okay, the code of children, it should be like children. Okay. Children will be. So you have teacher, Teacher. Teacher is coded how? VGCEJGT. Now you have to, got it, Sucharita. You have to find the code for children. Chalo. Okay, got it. Got it. 17B. Look, how can T, so here plus is UV. Okay. In each case, you find that plus 2 is added. Okay. Plus 2 is added. Okay. Plus 2 is added. Here CDEHIJIJK. So here this one YA, B is the answer, isn't it? B. Okay. In the series given below, identify the wrong number. Identify the wrong number. Okay. Here 5, 11, 23, 47, 96, 191, 383. Identify the wrong number. Patapat karo. 5, 11, 23, 47, 96, 191, 383. Find out. Okay, okay, it's okay. No issue. No issue. Clear, na? This is very important, isn't it? This is a very important question. So, okay. Here you see 5 plus, again those who are joined now, 5 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 11. 11 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 23. And 23 plus, 23 into 2 plus 1 equals to 47. And this is now 47 plus 2 plus 1 equals to, here that is 95. So we have 96, and if 95 into 2 plus 1 equals to, we are getting here, yeah, 191. And like that, here also 191 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 equals to 383. So the missing series here 96. So 96 is the, yeah. Oh, you answered A, na? Yeah. Yeah, you are right actually. Sucharita. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm. Chalo. Who differentiated between hot and cool media? Hot and cool media. Hot and cool media. Raymond Williams, Wilbur Sussman, Harold Lassell, Marcel McLuhan. Hot and cool media. Hmm. Excellent. Excellent. It is Marcel McLuhan. Fantastic. Fantastic. Marcel McLuhan is actually differentiated between hot and cool media. Fantastic. It's Marcel McLuhan. Excellent. Excellent, Sujarita. Here is in the series given below, identify the wrong number series. Oh, it is repeated actually. Chalo. 19. In Wi-Fi, Phi stands for what? Okay. Final finish firewall fidelity. In Wi-Fi, Phi stands for what? Excellent. It's fidelity. Very good. Very good. So here in Wi-Fi, Phi stands for fidelity. Fantastic. D is the right answer. Very good. Well done. Please find the number in place of question mark in the following question. Hmm. Got it? Aritro. 25 here, 22, 30 and 35. Got it. Raw. Hmm. क्वेश्चन मार्क में जो बीच में जो है फाइंड दैट नंबर. So hot and cool media by Marcel McLuhan. Okay. Wi-Fi F stands for fidelity. Fi. Write down in the comment box when was Montreal Protocol initiated. Montreal Protocol was initiated in which year? Write down in the comment box. Then Kyoto Protocol was introduced in which year? Write down these two things. Very important. Montreal Protocol, Kyoto Protocol, they are very important. You'll be getting one question. And even MDG and SDG. I'll be covering also MDG and Millennium Development Goal and Sustainable Development Goal. Okay. In the upcoming classes also I'll be covering MDG and SDG. Millennium Development Goal and that is Sustainable Development Goal. 20C. Okay. Someone has answered 20C. Okay. Sucharita had answered. Here you find 25 minus 3. Yeah. 1987, that is here you have Montreal Protocol. At plus 10, then we have Kyoto Protocol. Very good. Very good. Here plus 3 minus plus 3 plus 8. If you add here like this, you are getting minus 3, you are getting what? 27. If you here is 27, if you add plus 8, then you will be getting what? 30, 30, yeah, 35. 20C, excellent. 27, 20. So here at 27 is the right answer. That is minus 3 plus 8. Addition and subtraction series. Minus 3 plus 8. Okay, very easy. 27 is the right answer. Very good. Montreal Protocol was actually to protect the ozone layer, and Kyoto Protocol was actually to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. Okay. A disruption in the communication process is called, that is also known as barrier. Okay. Barrier. Okay. What barrier? Transgression, wall, noise, feedback. A disruption in the communication process is called as what? I'll be now focusing on mock test series on paper 1 actually. Hmm. Excellent, Sujarita. It's noise barrier. It's noise barrier. Very good, very good. Excellent. Arao also. That is noise. Noise is the answer. A disruption in communication process is actually a noise barrier. Very good. Very good. Here is question number 22. Maximum participation of students. Maximum participation of students is possible in teaching through which method? Discussion method, lecture method, audio visual aid, textbook method. Students will participate, will engage themselves in the teaching learning process. The participation is maximum. Here is question number 22 on your screen. Hmm. Yeah, in the discussion method, okay, in the lecture method, that is lecture method, it is actually teacher centered, okay, it is not. So audio visual aid, that is interesting, not टेक्स्ट बुक मेथड तो नहीं होगा. डिस्कशन मेथड में स्टूडेंट क्या करेगा, पार्टिसिपेट करेगा. स्टूडेंट विल आस्क ऑल्सो क्वेश्चन टू द टीचर एज वेल. सो डिस्कशन मेथड में पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स इज मैक्सिमम होता है. सो ए इज द right answer. The laws of induction, okay, induction were given. Inductive method, induction means here talking about the induction method. Inductive, okay, inductive method or deductive and deductive method. Which are the following thinkers first gave inductive or induction? Russell, John Stuart Mill, Plato and John Dewey. Okay. Inductive method is actually from what to what, Jorita? So inductive induction here was given first by John Stuart Mill. It was John Stuart Mill. No, John Stuart Mill. Excellent. John Stuart Mill has given the context induction. Mill is the answer. Okay. 23B. Excellent, Sucharita. A teacher should apply or follow which method? Follow which method? Inductive or deductive? A teacher should follow which method? Inductive method or deductive method? Which method is appropriate? Excellent. Particular to general. A teacher should follow inductive method, isn't it? Inductive method. First example. Okay. Then to the from particular to general, like Ram is dead, Sam is dead, Jodu is dead, Madhu is dead. So from all these statements we are concluding the statement that all men are mortal. Hmm. The meaning of randomization in research aptitude: random, picking randomly. Okay. The meaning of randomization is each element of population has an equal chance to be included in the sample. The selection of individuals from population is independent. The method is free from personal bias, and all of the above. So you have gone to the market, and your mother or your father has told you to bring some potatoes. So there is a bora, there is a sack, and from that bori, or that is sack, okay, you are actually trying to take your potatoes, okay. So from that bora, or from that sack, you are randomly picking the potatoes. So there is actually, you are free from the personal biases. And even, okay, when you are cooking rice, okay, you're taking cooking rice, so you have to take rice from your container. So when you're taking some rice from that container, okay, you are picking those rice randomly. You do not know which rice is good, which rice is not. So that is picking up. So there is the equal chance to be included in that sample, isn't it? So each element the population has an equal chance to be included, जहाँ पे हर एक एलिमेंट का इक्वल चांस है इंक्लूड, जैसे कि लॉटरी. ओके, if I take an example of lottery, okay, so there are 1 lakh tickets, okay, from 1 lakh everyone is expecting that I will win. So there is no personal bias. Okay, there are a lot of tickets, so every ticket has the capability of winning that lottery. So each element of population has an equal chance to be included in the sample, and the selection of individuals from population is independent, and the method is free from the personal bias. All these are right actually. So here D is the right answer. So lottery is actually an example of randomization, randomly picking. Good evaluation of a written material. A student has written a written material. A student has written answer of a question. Okay, so good evaluation of a written material should not be based on what. So you have, as a teacher, taken an exam actually. So your student has written down the answer. Now how will you evaluate, how you will evaluate that answer sheet actually? So here good evaluation of that written materials, that answer sheet that was written down by your student, should not be based on what? Linguistic expression, logical presentations, ability to reproduce whatever is read, and comprehension of the subject. The question is that should not be, good evaluation of material should not be based on what? What is linguistic expression? That is whether that student has used, okay,